Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we discuss about syllabus and important topics for cloud computing. Let's discuss about our official syllabus. Our official syllabus is in week first, you have to study about introduction to cloud computing, and in week second, you have to study about cloud computing architecture. In week third, you have to study about service management in cloud computing, and then in week fourth you have to study about data management in cloud computing, and in week fifth you have to study about resource management in cloud, and then in week sixth you have to study about cloud security. In week seventh you have to study about open source and commercial cloud simulator, and in week 8 you have to study about research trend in cloud computing fog computing, and in week 9 you have to study about VM resource allocation management and monitoring. In week 10 you have to study about cloud fog edge enable analytics, and in week 11 you have to study about serverless computing and FAAS model, and in week 12 you have to study about case studies and recent advancement. So these are the official syllabus of cloud computing, and now let's discuss about our highly important topic from this week. Let's discuss about our highly important topic. In week first you have to study about introduction to cloud computing. In introduction to cloud computing you have to study about essential characteristics like NIST, service models like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, and then deployment models like public, private, and hybrid. And next is virtualization basics. So you have to study about these topics in week first, and next the second week you have to study about cloud computing architecture. So these are the topics like virtualization versus dual boot, hypervisor VMM, public versus private cloud, web service, and SOA. So these are the most important topics in week second. And now let's go to our week fifth. Week fifth, resource management in cloud. So the most important topic in week fifth is VM scheduling, power aware scheduling, Hadoop and MapReduce, resource pooling, and overcommit ratios. So these are the subtopics of our week fifth and very important topics. And now let's go to our week sixth. So week sixth, cloud security. In cloud security, you have to study about security attacks like modification, phishing, DOS, denial of service, masquerading. And then next topic is CIA trade. And in CIA trade, you have to study about confidentiality, integrity, availability. And then risk assessment. In risk assessment, you have to study about regulatory vendor lock-in. And now let's go to our week 8. So week 8, research trends for computing. So the most important topics in week 8 is fog versus edge versus cloud, latency and real-time processing, IoT and MCC, mobile cloud computing, cloudlets. So these so these are the four important topics in week 8. And now let's go to our week 10. So in week 10, cloud fog edge enable analytics. So in week 10 you have to study about application placement, task offloading, hierarchical control, edge for cloud, cloud federation. So these are the most important topics in week 10. So we discuss about all the most important topics, and now our recommendation for study priority is: the first is NIST cloud characteristics, virtualization and hypervisors, SLA calculations and service models, MapReduce and Hadoop basics, cloud security fundamentals, fog edge computing differences, Docker and container basics, VM migration and types. So these are the most important topics in all over the syllabus. So you have to study about these topics in deep. So this is the end of our syllabus and important topics. Now we will meet in our mock test for cloud computing. So thank you friends for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe us.